Today we have a video from Blue Blotters, and the title of the video is I Ain't Your Bro. Sergeant hits breaking point with chaotic siblings.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
You're not in a position to be making...
I don't care, man. I'm Sergeant Benettini, okay? Now get the...
In July 2025, Youngstown, Ohio police responded to reports of a large, unruly crowd at an apartment complex intersection. Upon arrival, officers pursued and arrested a man after a brief foot chase. The suspect's sister voiced her dissatisfaction with the officers, prompting more people to gather at the scene.
She thinks she getting away while she running. What's going on?
Walk the away. Walk away. Walk away.
Stop calling me, bro. No, that's my brother.
I don't care.
I don't care either. Stop calling me. Stop calling me. What you talking about? What you talking about? That's my brother. No, y'all just makes it for no.
Walk over there.
Oh, okay.
I gotta tell you, getting one handcuff.
That's what it is.
Okay. The dude trying to take control of the situation, you know what I'm saying? Trying to at least calm her down, because that's what I'm thinking in my mind. I'm like, man, damn, is everyone just hostile, or is somebody level-headed that, you know, that's a little bit reasonable? So seems like the guy in the white shirt is the one that's reasonable.
Oh,
The show isn't terrible, but there are people working all over the that parking lot
you know what? That's it. That's it. Go. That's it. That's right. That's it. Go. That is it. Go. It ain't a fucking debate. Go. You're this fucking close. Go to you. Go.
White ass.
Go. Get to the car and go.
He ain't doing
Don't come drinking. You can't handle it.
Yo, I like their bleeping out. Like they're like it's yo, the way, you know, typically when people bleep out stuff, it's like beep beep, you know, but the like that's so funny.
This is exhausting.
Now she want to run.
Come here. This fucking done. You're done. We're done.
When you my cousin, take my phone. Where's it at? Give my phone. Give my cousin my phone. Give my phone. We got it.
Back up.
What I do? We told you to get back. I'm telling y'all.
What's this car?
They with him.
Go.
Don't say that to me.
Shut up with that.
Shut up, nigga. They started with him.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
You.
Go. You need to go. I'm towing the car. You got 3 seconds. I'm towing the fucking car. Who do you think you are?
The homeowner over here doesn't even want the cars here anymore.
These cars are out and they're getting hooked. Right now.
This was hers. We're towing this.
Yeah.
That's my God. I go through this every night. We come in this driveway. Oh my
We'll get
God.
it out of here. We'll tow it right now.
All this shit started because the little Puerto Rican girl over there.
Yes.
She drunk as hell, talking to the boy, talking about his kids. She gonna kill him, all this. She swing on him, which is why he punched her.
Come on out for a second, Brady.
Anybody else out there?
I'm gonna check you.
You're not get arrested. Hey, do y'all ever got enough room in the county for this orderly conduct?
Jeez. Oh, Pete.
They started with my brother for no reason.
All you had to do was leave.
Because I'm telling y'all.
All you had to do was leave.
She started all this. She started everything.
I got
Like
you.
she's the one who provoked him to hit her. She swung on him.
I got you.
So it's like, why does she get the like? I just don't understand. Y'all got the wrong person.
Ain't nothing but $3,000. That ain't even a lot of money.
Here, Sarge.
Don't give nothing to the Sarge. Give me my money. Don't.
We're not
take my
taking your
nowhere.
money. We're
Give
not
my
taking
money
your
right with
money.
me.
Can this all go with him?
Yeah, it's gonna go with me. Hell yeah, it's gonna go with me. What you talking about?
You're not in a position to be making.
I don't care, man.
I did nothing. I'm trying to tell y'all. They started with him. You feel me? I was trying to be nice. They started with him. No. I swear to God, it
told us all kinds of things.
No. I want to go to jail.
She has a warrant too.
She gonna be able to get out like this weekend, or
No, because she didn't go to court on a child restraint offense.
she
She
got a
got a
warrant
ticket for not having kids in a seatbelt, so they issued her. She didn't go to
When was
court.
that?
I don't know. I called it in. It's a capious failure to appear, so she has to go until Monday because she didn't go to court. So when you don't go to court and they issue a
so she
warrant,
had a warrant for
they have to hold you
not
until
having the
go.
kids in a seatbelt.
Yeah,
What
it was a
this?
couple offenses. I don't.
No, she has a warrant for not going to court. Not because she didn't have the kids in the seatbelt. that's not why she has the warrant. The warrant is because she didn't go to court. Come on, like let's pay attention. Put our thinking and cap on. You know what I mean? Put our listening ears on. You know what I'm saying? The police is telling you, and he ain't even gotta tell you. Like, who are you? You know what I mean? But yeah,
Give a f what you talking about? The f is you talking about, man? And I ain't resisting, so don't touch me. Don't touch me. The f is already arrested me.
Now, what the other lady is saying is right. If what the other lady is saying is true, that this one lady swung on him, provoked him, and then he swung back, but he just connected, you know what I'm saying, or whatever. I mean, you shouldn't hit a woman, but if she swung on you, you just supposed to be a punching bag? Like, I mean, I think anybody would be frustrated for getting locked up if you didn't start it. Now if you started it, then it is what it is. But man, somebody swung on me, I cracked them back. Like, what you mean? Got them together. Oh, hold up. Listen, guys, don't do that. All right, don't do that. Don't do that. You know what I'm saying? The man, the female power is completely different. You know what I'm saying? A lady hit you, whatever. But if a dude hit you, it's just your whole shit gonna be crazy. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, don't do that, guys. All right, don't do that.
I ain't even do shit.
How many times do I gotta explain it?
I ain't even do nothing. It was 5 other motherfuckers there. Bitch-ass motherfuckers.
No. Why? No. I did nothing. Why you want to arrest me? I did nothing, though. I'm telling you. I did nothing. What did I do?
It'll all be all right, though.
So she got to go to court.
On Monday. Yeah.
Just a bit much, man. Who's fighting over there?
Oh, my God. It's out. These cars are going. I'm Sergeant Medicini, okay? Now get the f*** out of here, or I'm going to take your f***ing car. This place. Unbelievable.
That's my niece, too.
Y'all ain't got enough room for disorderly conduct.
Everybody's gone already, so will you shut the f***?
All right, so what did you arrest? What the f*** you arrest me for then?
Sit down.
The man?
Sit down.
Then you all grab me. Shit, I ain't even do shit, motherfucker.
Sit down.
I'm telling you, that bitch maced him. That bitch maced him, spit on him. Why you thinking like that? Hit him.
Oh, she maced him?
You hear me, though, man? I'm telling you.
Okay, well,
I apologize. I'm not getting out. I apologize. But that bitch spit on my brother and maced him.
The ass shit, man.
Can this all go with him in the county?
He is going with me, motherfucker.
$3,000, he says.
Don't touch my shit.
They're bonding them out anyways.
Yeah, I'm getting bothered out. I ain't even got enough room for this bitch ass shit. I need to be arrested after motherfuckers. Bitch ass motherfuckers.
All right, that's enough. Yeah, we heard you. Yeah, you tough.
I don't give a
You tough as shit.
Yeah, I'm tough, motherfucker.
Oh, he's showing off for it. There's only cops left here.
Ain't no showing off.
You know, that alcohol got the better of you tonight. You acting like a fool.
I apologize.
You acting a fool.
I can take accountability. You feel me? I tell my brother to leave. That
I haven't heard that in a minute. She could take accountability. I ain't heard that in a while, boy. I don't think I ever heard that, boy.
spit on him.
I understand.
How would you feel spicy?
I would leave when the cops told me to.
You know, you're right.
Yes, I would.
I apologize.
Watching me. I don't want
I'm telling you, I apologize, though. All right.
Arresting motherfuckers for no reason. The racist ass.
Do you have his name?
Brandon, what's your last name?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, no problem. Let me advise you one time. Are you listening? Are you listening? Are you listening?
My last name Perry. I got my ID in my back pocket. I told you that.
Okay. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
You are required to identify yourself under the law.
Brandon Perry. I told you my ID in my back.
What is your date of birth?
I'm trying to tell them, like, calm down.
Get
out of here.
Tell you she
Get out of
spit
here.
it. And that my fucking brother
Hey.
gonna lock me up.
Get out of here.
I didn't lock you.
Get
I didn't
out
lock
of
you
here. Get out of here. Or you can go too.
I ain't going nowhere.
Good. Get out.
I need your badge number, Norm.
Badge 1158.
And I need that whole recording too.
Huh?
I need that whole recording.
Yep.
So when I talk to Beatrice, I'm filing a complaint on all y'all.
Very good.
Yeah, very good. Whoever had in the scene, I need your badge number. Stackwick, what's your name? Stackowitz. I need your badge number, bro.
I ain't your bro.
I need your badge number.
I ain't your bro.
I need your badge number.
Listen.
I need your badge number.
Listen. I ain't your bro.
I need your badge number.
Listen.
It's a lawful order to leave. Go. Here's the thing. I get what you're saying, that she instigated it before we get it, but him hitting her is still assault.
Yeah, it is. It is.
My arm hurt. Ah! My arm. Ah! My arm hurt. I'll be writing Lieutenant Butler in the morning. Lieutenant Butler will be getting all your badge numbers.
Hopefully you can write
Yeah, do that all you want.
with your hurt arm. Unfortunately, we didn't see it, and
Ain't no
instead of
camera
him
right here.
talking to us, he took off.
He ran, yeah.
So
He could have made a
he
report
kind
with
of
us too, and went from there.
he
We could
didn't
have
help
got her.
himself either by running.
Can we get to the county, please?
Well, we gotta wait now. Your arm hurts. Is she somebody that you guys hang out with
That's
often?
my
Or
cousin. Yeah,
okay.
yeah, I have her son, like, you know, like, I got her son, like, it's just, this is a bit much, like.
Hey, we'll take you up there, but you do understand that going to the hospital does not get you out of jail. It is not a, like...
I've been in jail.
Okay, all right, let's go then.
Make sure Lieutenant Butler just make sure.
Okay, I got you.
I'll take
Are you Perry?
Yeah.
Brandon Marquise Perry?
Brandon Perry.
Medicini, what's up?
Yeah, what's up? What's up?
Arm hurts. Pull it out of the sandwich.
Man, I get the car for a second.
Oh, we gonna fix the cuffs.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Put this in front. Put your other arm in front.
Better? No, still hurt up there.
So you can start with him?
Under arrest. If you leave the ambulance or the hospital, not in custody of the police department, charged with felony escape.
That's a misdemeanor.
Did you hear what I said?
That's a misdemeanor.
Did you hear my warning?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Oh, Lord, I can't even walk now. Fucking miracle.
Is escape a misdemeanor? No way. Really?
Hurt arm. Hurt arm, hurt his legs.
Okay guys, brother and sister went to jail for disorderly conduct. I'm not really sure what happened to them. They probably were released before the officers got off work. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please smash the like.
Okay. Damn. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Where was this at? Youngstown, Ohio. We gotta look this up. We gotta look this up, guys. We gotta look this up. Is escape a misdemeanor? Oops. Escape a misdemeanor. Then we gonna paste Youngstown, Ohio. Is generally a felony, not a misdemeanor. Felony escape. It's a felony ranging from a 5th degree to 2nd degree felony. If a person under detention for a felony charge or conviction. Okay, wait, hold on. Misdemeanor only if the person was under detention for a previous misdemeanor offense. Okay, it's a misdemeanor if the person. All right, we got it. Hold on. First degree misdemeanor only if the person was under detention for a previous misdemeanor offense and fails to return from temporary leave. So what he get arrested for? Assault is simple assault is generally. Oh yeah, wow. Okay, now that makes sense. Okay, so this criminal know his stuff, boy. He know his stuff. He's charged with assault. Assault's a misdemeanor. If he escapes, it'll be a misdemeanor because he was the original charge that what he's being held for is assault. Woo. Damn, boy. But anyway, just a clown show. I like the one lady who was the one chick that was talking with the cops for most of the time, giving the story and all that stuff or whatever. I liked her. And then I liked the dude in the white shirt. Not the one that got arrested, but the one that was initially holding the one that just went wild. You know what I'm saying? I like those two. Everybody else, just crazy, man. It's crazy. Just chaotic, man. And uncalled for too. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.